But I want to talk about representation because whether you like it or not, that performance or you doing that role holds a lot of representation. When people say it to you na parang it's very important or like, grabe nagagawa nito for the community, like, how do you internalize that? What does representation mean to you?
Para sa akin, it's such a pressure.
Uh-huh.
Pero it's a pressure that I would welcome every single day because of how important it is. Kasi tayong mga bakla, ang daming mga pagkakataon, roles, scenario na ipinlanta sa isip natin na hindi pwedeng mangyari. And ako, ang pinakapaniniwala ko about representation ay yung mga imposibleng yun, kahit imposible siya sa isip natin, para maging posible siya, kailangan natin siyang makita.